smile that caught my eye. No intention, don't hesitate in this. I know for sure I can't let you go. I gotta make you feel it. Building up. I'm with the game to lose, something that I aim to prove, and I'm what's missing. Pay attention, please don't question, or just listen up. I just wanna say, I know, even though I ain't your girl, let me make that choice for you. I know I want you, even though I ain't your girl, let me make the choice for you. I know I want you, and I can seriously say I'm so amazing. I love your swagger, your style, your walk, how you whisper when you talk. I'm not trying to play